morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another day of the video diary. And how's it going today? Today we have an immensely busy day ahead of us, so we've had a nice relaxed morning to get over it. Although I have a sneaking suspicion that I'm sleepwalking, because in the middle of the night I just get up and do stuff. I turn my computer on and turn the lights on and then went back to bed. And then it happened yesterday as well, didn't it? I got up before my alarm and then went back to bed, but I don't remember anything else. Well, that's what I did today. I just turned my computer on and then went back to bed. So I'm sleepwalking. So Lovely's going to have to deal with that when I go up to Leeds tomorrow. Super excited. Can't wait. It's going to be the best. The only bummer is how much work I've got at this precise moment in time. Which means today I'm going to be fueled by all of this. My gubbins. I'm going to be empowered, let's say, to get as much work done as we physically possibly can do. This morning I've sorted out the video. I now don't need to worry about that anymore, so that's all good. I've had cereal, had a nice relaxed slow build up because I got up nice and early to the day, and then had breakfast and stuff, got ready, and now I'm heading off to campus. We're going to go and find out what we need to do for our graphics coursework. Not graphics, pattern analysis coursework. We don't do graphics anymore. But I'm going to go see the same person about it because he does the labs for both. So we're going to be finding out specifically what we need to do for the coursework. I understand all the theory, I just haven't got a clue what we need to do. So that's what we've next got to figure out and stuff. It's then back, and then we have a lot of work to clear. So we're going to clear all of that work today. We're going to stay up late to do it as well. We can catch up sleep Wednesday night. And we're heading back. That lab was a lot quieter than I thought it would be. It was literally just me and Freya, just there, out of our little friend group. Well, I don't know, there was like, Alex was there as well, and stuff like that, but over there somewhere, it was really quiet, which was really good, which meant we got a good time with the boss man, asking him all of the questions. I now know exactly what, I went in asking 2 questions, and I now know I've got them, I've got my answers. So that's good. I've figured out what I need to do. If the other people have figured out what they want to do, then good luck to them, to be honest with you. It's more complicated than I originally thought it would have been. And since this one is for Tuesday, we've got to get it running for Tuesday, and then we've got to demo it in the lab and say, this is what it does, here's how it does it. I now know how it does it. I know all of the theory behind everything. It's just a case of programming, so it does it. So today, we're going to be spending our time doing that and Java, because if I start developing the Java, that means I can write the report on the train up to Lovely tomorrow, which means, because that's a better, well, I can't really program on the train because you haven't got the internet. Programming without the internet is like programming without hands. It's not really possible unless it's a simple program where like everything makes absolute sense all of the time. The chances are you're going to be googling things when you're programming. It's great. So you just need to know what to Google. That's what programming basically is. It's figuring out what to Google. So, yeah, lol. Otherwise, we're just heading back now. Just literally, longest bus ride ever. There's fucking no traffic or anything, just sat around doing nothing. I never got a train back this early before, on Tuesday. So, yeah, otherwise, just going back. I actually do feel a bit hungry. So I'm thinking of just having lunch straight away, and then getting into it and have some soup for lunch. I can taste it already. It is actually quite brisk as well today, but we're trying to get used to it instead of just wearing, the thing is, coats all the time. So we're just trying to get used to being colder. It's good for you. But yeah, like I say, soup, soup, what we just did just then, and then Java. I'm going to have to assume that what I've done for maths is right. I don't think it is, but I'm going to have to assume that it's true, unless I can go through it with someone quickly on Monday, the day that it's being submitted. GG! Beast mode. I think the MATLAB, the pattern analysis stuff, is now done. What I've done is I've been using code that they've been giving us, but I've taken something that takes a what it does at the moment, it takes an image, a binary image of just like black and white, it takes it into the computer, and then it calculates like the perimeter of it, figures out like an algorithm that like would be able to regenerate that stuff, like cancels out all the noise, regenerates it and stuff, and then there you go, you've recreated it. What I've done is I've basically like cannibalized that program so that it actually runs in and takes the program. chatting crap, right? It figures out this chain code thing, and then it assigns that to a function. So it's basically like said, right, this is its feature. This is how I'm labeling this from now on, which is good. So that's that. What am I even talking? So it's done that. It's figured out how it's going to label it, and then what it does is it takes like 50 of different photos of different stars or different aliens, and then what it does is it draws a probability for each and every single one of them. So then if you feed in another one, if you feed in an alien, it will then say, right, here's its feature vector, here's what we're labeling it. Is it one of this set that we've just been given? No, it doesn't fall underneath the curve. It's not a star. Bam! It's something else, and then it runs it through. So technically, I've just made something that is able to classify images. A bit like face recognition. A little bit. Only a little bit like, in the loosest phrase of the word. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to have one game of Hearthstone to celebrate, and then I'm going to boot up my laptop and we're going to do some Java development to develop our Java stuff. We're developing a database. Yes! Yay! Eclipse time! Just tried to get it running on my laptop, then remembered that if I connect it to Wi-Fi when it's in Linux mode, the Wi-Fi shuts down. So, instead, we are doing something else. What are we doing? What are we doing at this precise moment in time? We're going to go into there and we're going to create a new project, a new source file, new source folder. We're going to go make a database in Java. Java is not designed for databases. It's object orientated. That's the only thing that you could potentially go, yeah, but you could have a list. You could have like you can fake a database quite well in it, but it's not a database. So I want to wait time. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Basically, I'm going to just add myself another source file, and we're going to get away with this, mother trucker. Oh, I'm really struggling to get motivated to do this Java. It's so boring. Oh Lord. But it needs doing, goddammit. So I'm going to have, what time is it? It's nearly 5 o'clock. Which means what I'm going to do is, my laptop's on charge, isn't it? It will be in a minute. No, it won't be. Will it not be? It won't be. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play Hearthstone for a bit. While I get my bag ready and stuff, and the clothes I'm going to be wearing when I'm at Lovelace tomorrow. I'm going to be sorting all of that stuff out. Fun stuff. Taking a break, and then I'm going to, when I cook dinner, because it's basically an oven job, because it's an oven ready meal, which I'm just like adding in leftovers. I couldn't think what to do with like my leftover pepper and stuff, because it's going to go out of date before I get back. So I just decided to just get a ready meal pasta thing, and then just fry everything off, just send it in. You never know, it might be nice, and hopefully filling, because that will be the main issue, is if it's filling or not. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Chill, do this, go in there, and then work on my laptop, get typing away. I think I prefer to work on my laptop to a certain extent, because I've been in here all day, I think. And I feel like I've done really good doing that other thing, and now I'm doing boring Java again. What ho, that's enough fun. Let's get cooking, looking. The laptop's already booting. Oh mate, it's like pitch black in here, what's going on? Jesus, come on now. Yeah, we've literally just got like a bog standard basics, not basics, just pasta, ready-made pasta thing, and that's it basically. Garlic bread, fried shit, just add into it for funsies. Eating like kings, mother trucker. And dinner was not half all that bad. It was alright. It would do. Otherwise, did a bit of Java, but I've really just lost the ball. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to bed now at midnight. So it's not a ridiculous time really. I'm going to go to bed, and I'm going to get up especially early. Let's put it that way. I'm going to get up especially early so that we can get some work done before going to Lovelace. I was going to have a shower before I went to bed. Probs not though. What effort. I've packed my bag. I've just got to put my toiletries in my toiletry bag, and then it's in there, and then I'm laughing. I really don't need to take much at all. I don't know why I ever took like a massive ass bag. I think I took shoes, didn't I? But yeah, so I've got stuff in. I'm basically taking my laptop bag filled with my stuff that I normally take to uni, and chargers and stuff, and then that bag there, which I liquid fun, and then possibly one of my 4 boxes of crunchy nut. So yeah, I don't know, that's what's going to happen. But tomorrow I'm going to get this video up as soon as I possibly can in the morning, so that it can queue for the day, and that means I can spend the rest of the day up until about 12 o'clock. I say 12 o'clock, till about 11 o'clock working my little socks off, and then what? Since I've been working my little socks off, I will be jumping on a train, working on the train as well, and then going to Lovelace. And yes, I can't wait. I haven't been to Lovelace in a long time, and I really miss her. And it's been over a month, I think, since she's been here. It's just a short month because it's February, but it's still a long ass time. And oh my god, I cannot wait! I'm so excited. So yeah, I apologise if my videos fall behind in some way, shape or form. They normally do when I go up to Lovelace, usually because the internet is less stable / I'm busier. So because we're doing stuff, I've got to then leave my laptop because I'm rendering all my videos off my laptop, which doesn't render as quickly as Atlas does by a long shot. I only bought when I bought my laptop, I only wanted like a portable one. Basically, I didn't care if it wasn't very powerful. All I wanted was, to be honest with you, I nearly bought a Chromebook. That's how little I cared about power. The only reason I didn't was because I needed to be able to program on it. So I needed to go Windows / Linux. But yeah, it's mainly designed for battery power, which basically means that I need my headphones tomorrow as well. Don't forget them. Which basically means that it doesn't render at all. Like, I have to feed it video clips like 5 at a time, because otherwise it crashes. So yeah, whereas Atlas, I'll be able to chuck her 60 and she'll render it out in less than 6 minutes or something silly like that. It's crazy. So yeah, mainly the rendering time, because then it's got to render it, and then it's actually got to create the file at the end. That's even longer. It takes about an hour or so to render on my laptop, plus upload. And I'll probably be working on it and stuff. So I apologise if I do fall behind. I will catch up in due course, as I always do. But yeah, otherwise, thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. We've slacked off work a bit this evening, but we're going to get up early tomorrow and we're going to boss it out. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. I can't wait. And I can't wait to take you with me. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I'll catch you later.